Good morning, guys. Zoe, good morning. Ay, nagtago na siya. Where's your gown? Where's your gown? Where's your gown? We go to Tita Ninang wedding. You say congratulations. Ay, malaglag ka. That's Zoe's gown. And I'm with my sister. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, you do like this. Let's go. Dali. You do this. Here. In the camera. Hi guys, we're waiting for the car for Kagawad. Oh, hello Papa! Papa is there. Good morning, Papa. Where we go now? Where we go now, Zoe?
Hi guys, so we're on our way now. So, ingat sa amin. So, there's a sunrise na and my baby girl sleeping. We're in the road.
Hi, Zoe! Ay.
We're finally here, guys.
People there? We're here now. Ang ganda, oh. Ang ganda naman pala ng face ko, eh. Kahit walang edit. Ayan, ang sexy med. Ay, bawal pala. Alo ko, makikita ka niya. Halika na camera mo ito. Oo nga, walang edit yan. Oo, hindi na. Parang, makakaidaran ko lang ito. Ang ganda ng place. Dalagang, binata na yan eh. And then, so sexy. Ay, medyo na pala. Cheryl, nalilito na ako sa inyo eh. Sorry naman, ganda naman yan. Dalang kasama yung isa. Naging katulong. Joke lang. Nag-plancha. Diba? Parang ganda dito sa ano ko. Taray, ang ganda. Medyo yan.
Shoot time. So, dito kami sa labas. And I'm going to show you the gown.
Wow,
it's so beautiful. Here's the bride. Another shoot before the event starts. Wow. And here's my daughter. The gown that she wear, I made it. And we're going to the place where we shoot with the bride. That's a beautiful bride. Nahihilo na siya and mainit. Kawawa naman ang bebe. Tapos may mga drama-drama pa sa paligid. Charing. Pati ay diba? Here's the inside of the venue. It's really amazing and very nice setup. And solid. So beautiful.
Wise men say only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you. Wise men say only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you. But I can't help falling in love with you. makes me feel things will work out just fine.
Punas.
And I begin to melt, just like the snow and the
Mr. and Mrs.
Del Rosario!
Mr. and Mrs. Del Rosario! And then, ladies and gentlemen,
Wow!
Sinari ka ba? You gave meaning to my life. Last one, definitely not. Alright. So now, aside from our couple, girlfriend of our groom. Yes, sabi niya sa akin, sabi ganun nagkakagulo na. Medyo nagkakaroon na ng komosyon kanina. Minahal mo naman daw siya. At sobrang kanyang minahal. Then, alright. Gusto mo na bang makita siya? Sabi niya, hindi ka talaga minahal ni Gianni. Ako kayong maingay, ha? Talikod ka. And, huwag kang titingin, sir. Pasok!
Mama niya.
Okay, baka magkagulo. Dito po muna kayo. pwede mo nang tingnan ang iyong ex-girlfriend. Palampakan naman po natin sila, ladies and gentlemen.
Ay, sorry, hindi ko napigil.
Ladies and gentlemen, the father of our bride. Nakatutok yung lights. Pagbaba ng cake. Once. Sabay-sabay tayo. 1, 2, 3, and go! Sige pa po. Kasi may sensor yan. Okay, stop! Okay, pwede nyo nang punta ng ating cake. Palakpakan nyo naman po ang ating cake. Okay, sasayaw sila in 3, 2, and 1. Di mo sila pagod. Alright, palakpakan naman natin, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so gusto ko, that is the packages. Some of that kaya maliit. It's because it's a GC or gift certificate. Okay. Saan?
Babe, when I first met you, I had no idea how much my life would change. Because of you, I laugh, I smile, and I dare to dream more than I ever had before. You have been always by my side for the hardest moment of my life and pulled me through. Thank you for that miracle that you are. I can't promise that tomorrow will be perfect or life will be easy. But I promised you, I will be always beside you, to care for you, to support you, to comfort you, through good times and troubled times. You are and always be the love of my life, my Genesis. I love you.
Tell me something when the rain falls on my face. How do you quickly replace it with a golden summer smile?
Actually, Josh, I prepared for this 365 days. So I've give a little background, no. Nag-propose ako sa kanya December 31st, yung eve nung New Year last year. So I have all this. Sabi nga nung boss ko, si Boss Warren, we've been talking about this since January and this is it. This is not the time to, sabi niya, grow weak. Kailangan, you have to be strong. And right now, sabi ko nga, I will be the strongest person for my wife. I'm okay. I will take all this challenge kasi mas kailangan ako ng partner ko ngayon at sa mga susunod ng chapters ng buhay namin.
Like I'm the one who's precious. I hate to break it to you, but it's just the other way around.
Ayokong ikasal. Parang ayokong matali. Takot ako sa commitment. Gusto ko yung ayoko ng panghabang buhay. Pero nung nakilala ko siya, nag-iba yung pananaw ko sa buhay. Gusto ko na pala ng may matatawag na tahanan.
Tell me something about to lose control.
Kakasal ka na, nak. Pupunta ka na sa buhay na maging maayos na. Ingatan mo ang iyong pag-asawa. Okay? Mahalin mo ang iyong asawa. Mahalin mo ang iyong buhay. Sana ito yung way, ito na yung umpisa para ikaw ay mag-grow. Alam ko you are grow already, but this is another room of your life.
The clouds, don't think that you even realize the joy you make me feel when I'm inside.
Congratulations, anak. Sa wakas, ikakasal ka na. Panganay kong anak, mahal na mahal kita. Mahal mo asawa mo. Ingatan mo ang pamilya mo. Mahal na mahal kita, alam mo na anak mo. I love you.
Stars all you want, but I'll always be the lucky
one. Maligaya ka sa decision mo at sa piling ni Jen. Ang unang-una, huwag mo kalimutan bilhin ko sa Panginoon. Ito na siguro yung pinaka-time. Tandaan mo, mahal naman.
Habang nabubuhay kami, Mama.
You hold me like I'm the one who's precious. I hate to break it to you, but it's just the...
You know, I really knew na siya na talaga kasi nung nagkakilala kami and nung naging kami, it was actually during the pandemic. It was really crazy time. May mga panahon na yung isa may trabaho, yung isa wala. So what happened was, we are supporting each other. I knew it na siya na talaga ang makakasama ko sa buhay kasi nung walang-wala ako, nandyan siya sa tabi ko. At nung walang-wala siya, sinuportahan ko siya para mag-grow kami pareho and ma-survive namin yung buhay namin.
Daddy? Thank you.
I love you. Deserve mo na dito.
Ang ganda, babe.
Bibigyan ako sa'yo.
Ano yun?
Kasi gusto ko i-share sa'yo lahat kung anong meron ako. Starting today. Lahat ng kung anong meron ako, babe. Gusto ko magkaroon ka. Starting sa financials natin. So, credit card na to. Sa atin. Tapos yung savings account natin, pupunuin natin para sa mga bata, tsaka sa future natin. Deserve mo to. Ikaw umiyak. Deserve natin to. Okay? I love you.
Kahit araw-araw kang tinutoyo, hindi kita susukuan. Lagi kong susuportahan ang mga pangarap mo sa buhay kasama ng dalawang boys natin. Tulad ng ginawa natin ng pandemic, sinuportahan natin ang isa't isa. I know, yung mga susunod na mangyayari sa buhay natin as a married couple will be a great challenge for both of us. I will love you and our two boys. Sabi nga nila, hindi man kita kayang mahalin araw-araw, pero araw-araw pipiliin kita.
Jens and Jenny, never lose to the need you have for each other. In other words, huwag kang maramot sa panahon ng pangangailangan. In Genesis chapter 2 verse 24, always remember that your spouse complements you in no one else can. No friends, no parents, no child can do more for you than your wife.
alam mo, hindi pa rin magbabago yung pagiging toyoin ko. Habang buhay na talaga to. Pero, promise ko sa'yo, hindi man ako maging perfect na asawa. Pero gagawin ko ang best ko para maging perfect ako. At promise ko, aalagaan ko yung mga anak natin at magiging anak natin. Mahal na mahal kita.
And you may now kiss your lovely wife. Punas muna, punas.